Oldham Ramblers footpath clearance and maintenance team were out again. When? Tuesday, 24th of October 2023. Where? Working on footpaths FP 52 and FP 195 Oldham off Coal Pit Lane, Limeside. What? Cleared a footpath off Whitebank Road at the side of the school on the way to footpath 52 off Coal Pit Lane. Cleared the stile at the start of footpath 52, strimmed and cleared cut back trees, installed 2 waymarker posts, fixed waymarker discs and litter picked. Wrecked, strimmed, cleared and cut back trees on footpath 195. Fly tipping at the end of footpath 52 on Crime Lane, photographed and reported to Oldham Council. Who? 8 volunteers out this week. Ken, Paul, Mike, Martin, Keith, Tony, Bob and Kevin. A big thank you to all the volunteers. Local people stopped to tell us that there's always fly tipping in this location. Can I suggest to Oldham Council they install a steel post, a high steel post with a camera and a big sign warning fly tippers. A big thank you to all the volunteers and thank you for watching.
Keep walking.